The use of a gas soldering iron is not recommended. Use a hairdryer with temperature control. The soldering iron should be adjusted so that the plastic melts but there is no smoke from the tip. The tack weld must be performed as follows. Place the soldering iron and push the burrs formed at the edges into the seam. Melt onto melt. Melt droplets must form on the reverse side. They indicate that the tack weld has been performed correctly. Drops of molten material are bound to form on the reverse side. They testify to the high quality of the application. When tacking, be sure to leave bridges. They can be used to control the geometry of the seam. The rod and the repair site must be cleaned of oxide film, for example with a knife. Group A. Before laying, the tip of the material must be heated for 3 to 4 seconds. When laying, only use tongs with force. Do not lay it down with your hand. The molten droplets that form must be cut off with a knife or by other means. Group C. The rod and the repair site must be cleaned of oxide film, for example with a knife. Group B. The melt bead indicates high-quality welding. Its size is approximately 1 millimeter. The advantage of a flat cross-section over a triangular one. The area of a flat section joint is approximately 3 times greater.